What happens when a tectonic plate dives into Earth's mantle and doesn't make it all the way down? You've probably heard of tectonic plates crashing and diving beneath one another in Earth's ever-shifting crust. But what you haven't heard is that these plates carry ancient secrets, and sometimes they get stuck. New research from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution has just revealed something game-changing. The ancient composition of oceanic plates, especially their basalt content, can decide whether a plate sinks into Earth's deep mantle or stalls in the mysterious mantle transition zone. Located between 410 and 660 kilometers beneath our feet, this mantle transition zone is the gateway to Earth's lower mantle. And guess what? Not every plate gets through. Thanks to the Voile project, scientists dropped 34 seismometers to the ocean floor beneath the Lesser Antilles, the Caribbean's unexpected hotspot for deep Earth secrets. We were shocked to discover one of the thickest mantle transition zones in the world, 330 kilometers thick, right beneath Paradise. Turns out, these oceanic plates aren't just slabs of uniform rock. They carry baggage, leftovers from ancient tectonic chaos that created layers of basalt trapped within them. This inherited rock memory can seriously alter a plate's journey, causing it to slow down, stall, or even disintegrate in the MTZ, instead of continuing its descent. It's wild to think that in some ways, tectonic plates have a memory, and that affects how Earth circulates its deep materials. This process isn't just geological trivia, it's how our planet breathes. It recycles water, carbon, and life-sustaining elements, keeping our climate stable and the Earth habitable for billions of years. We can't ignore the unique makeup of these slabs. It might completely change what we think we know about Earth's deep interior. From tropical beaches to the crushing depths of the mantle, our planet's plates are shaped by ancient tectonic dramas, and now we know they don't just sink, they remember. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories from the hidden engine beneath our feet, Geology News.